In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a single product from Alibaba for personal use in 2025. Buying from Alibaba might seem a bit daunting if you're only looking for a single item, but I'll guide you through it in a way that's simple and straightforward. Let's get started. First, head over to Alibaba.com. This is your gateway to a massive marketplace where you can find just about anything you need. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll see a search bar prominently displayed on the home page. This is where you'll start your search for the product you're interested in purchasing. Next, type the name of the product you're looking for into the search bar. Be specific to get the most relevant results. For instance, if you're looking for a pair of earbuds, just type that in and hit enter. Since you're looking for only one item, we'll need to apply some filters to narrow down the options. Click on the More Filters option. This will open up additional controls that help you refine your search. Here's a crucial step. In the filter section, for minimum order quantity, type in 1. This ensures that your search results will only show products that can be purchased in single quantities, perfect for personal use. Once you've entered 1 into the minimum order box, click on Apply to update your search results. You'll now see a list of products that match your criteria, each available for individual purchase. Now, it's important to consider the quality of the product you're interested in. Take some time to read through the product reviews. These reviews are invaluable as they give you insights from other buyers about their experiences, the quality of the product, and the reliability of the seller. This step is crucial in making an informed purchase. After you've identified a product that meets your needs, it might offer variations like color, size, or specifications. Adjust these variations to match your preference. Ensure you've selected the correct quantity, which in this case should be 1. Once you're satisfied with your choice, click on Add to Cart. This adds the item to your shopping cart, and from there, you're ready to proceed to checkout. Finally, head to your cart and finalize your purchase by checking out. You'll need to fill in your shipping details and perhaps choose a payment method. At this stage, ensure all information is correct to avoid any hitches in delivery. And there you have it. These steps will help you navigate Alibaba and purchase a single product with ease for personal use. Thanks for watching and happy shopping!